Minimum wage in Jamaica is increasing. Starting July 1, 2026, the new minimum wage will be $17,000 per week. So what does this mean for workers? Let's break it down quickly. The current minimum wage is $16,000 per week. This will increase to $17,000 per week. That's an increase of $1,000 per week. If we convert this to a monthly estimate, that's approximately $73,600 per month. This gives workers a clearer idea of what they should expect over time. It is important to understand that this amount is before deductions. From this, contributions like NIS, NHT, education tax may still apply. So your take-home pay will be slightly lower than the full amount. This increase mainly affects workers who are earning at or near the minimum wage level. This includes many workers in retail, hospitality, and entry-level positions. If you are earning minimum wage, make sure your employer updates your pay starting July 1, 2026, because this is your legal entitlement. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.